Hi, good evening. This is Dr. Munawar Sheikh from MS Homeopathic Medical Center. And today I just wanted to talk to you all about PMS, which is also known as premenstrual syndrome. Now, what is PMS? It's basically a group or a compilation of the kind of symptoms like fatigue, excessive pain in the abdomen, lower back, thigh area, or in the breast areas where it is very sore and painful to touch. There can also be certain cravings for certain specific food, especially sweets during this particular time. And there can be a lot of mood swings. There can be high irritability. And normally, if those people are not getting triggered for small things, but during that time they are like highly volatile. So you'll really have to be very careful when a lady is having PMS. So, apart from that, a couple of them do suffer from either acute episodes of clinical depression or they suffer from small episodes of, or acute episodes as we call it, of anxiety. Sometimes they have a bit of just milder things like apprehension, which may not exactly lead to anxiety or panic attacks. Now, these, as the term suggests, premenstrual syndrome, so which means this occurs just before the period starts. So, this phase starts from the post ovulation, that is from the 14th day onwards of the cycle, to just before the periods are going to happen. Now, for some people, these symptoms can come just about like 1 or 2 days prior. But for some, it can come right from the start of ovulation itself. And sometimes it's so intense and so severe that it is unbearable for them and it interferes in their day to day activities. PMS affects about almost like 90% of the women who are normally menstruating, not those who are not regularly menstruating. Now, there are a lot of hormones responsible for this. Primarily, it is the progesterone through LH hormone, and also at the same time, there are a lot of uh, bloated kind of feeling, and some people have some gastric symptoms also associated. A couple of people have loose motions, or nausea, or vomiting, or some kind of acidity. So there are a lot of these, additional symptoms that go along with the main, symptoms. It's very important to understand, identify, and reach out to the women who are in your life and help them out, try empathizing with their problems. So most of the times the treatment is very simple, like trying to walk regularly on a daily basis. Do not exercise during your periods, and you can walk a little, but definitely no exercises during that time. Maintaining a very good healthy vegetarian diet preferably would be very helpful. Having a diet which is less in sugar level, that is any kind of food that is in low having low glycemic index, that would be advisable. Apart from that, if at all the pain is too much and it's hurting a lot, then maybe you can opt for a hot water bag, or you could try out some homeopathic medications which are very safe, which are very effective, and which will be very helpful in not just reducing your intensity but also frequency of the pain. And sometimes you arrive at such a level that your PMS would have just come and gone and you wouldn't feel anything about it. So don't just sit there and hang on there. You know, try to take the initiative of getting yourself treated for your PMS through homeopathy. Do contact us, and this is very short and brief information which has been given here. If you want to know more details about this condition and how to treat through homeopathy, please do get in touch with us, and on 9741711897. And you can also reach out to us through WhatsApp on the same number. And do share, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this.